Guys, another day, another work day. So ngayon papunta ako sa sa work ko. And I'm currently walking because it's a nice weather. So I'll just walk instead of getting a lift with my uncle. So guys, buti na lang malapit lang yung work ko sa house ng auntie ko. So it's a privilege. Wow, privilege. Wait, ano yun? Anak na contractor. Charot. So ayan. Come with me as I go to my work. Always work. That's the life of international student here in Australia. And other than studying, because it's just 2 days our studies, so the rest of the week is all working days. Not all, because we're limited to 24 hours. So in my case, I just work 3 days in aged care facility, and I finished my Cert 3 and Cert 4 already. Guys, it's the Jacaranda season, so I'll show you the Jacaranda. Ayan o, ewan ko kita nyo, pero Jacaranda yan. Yes. Hindi pa siya nagbo-bloom talaga. Pero ayan, diba? You can see in my, at the back. Ano ba yun? Babother ako sa buhok ko. Hinihingal ako. Wala pa man din work. Oh my God. Paano na? Pagod na ako. Ay, nako. Ay, kasunod ako. So, hiliya akong pinag salita. And also, I think this is the first time I'm speaking loud. It's because I'm shy in our house because I'm living with my auntie and my uncle, and they're also loud, so I can speak. Oh my God, ang pangit. Ayun, and that's school. Ay, wala pa man. Pagod na ako. Bakit gano'n? Arte. Pinili mo to, gusto mo to, panindigan mo to. Wow. Ang ganda sa mata. It's all green. And nice weather. Hindi mainit, hindi umuulan, and hindi rin malamig. Perfect weather. Maybe I should do walking vlogs, no? Every time I go to my work. Pero nakakatamad kasi maglakad eh. So, if I'm not walking, my auntie is dropping me off here in my workplace. Also, I'm near. I'll show it to you. So yes, I'm almost near here in my workplace, and good thing there's no wedding kasi we're near to the church. I mean, beside of our facility is church here, right? And almost every week, especially Saturday, Sunday, there's a wedding or there's a ganap here. But probably later there will be mass, so I can show it to you. And here I am. Bye guys, see you on the next vlog.